Lilypad's here to help you build an avatar. Why, it's everyone's favorite cowgirl, Jessie. Wow, she's virtually leaping off the screen. Literally. Now where's her trusty steed? Oh no! He's stuck in cyberspace! Don't worry. It looks like we need to collect some stars. Oh no! Bo Peep has lost her sheep and doesn't know where to find them. Don't worry, our old pal Woody's on the job. Should be easy, since they seem stuck together. Aha! Don't worry, a little lasso should help. Wait, what exactly is your target? Ooh, now that's what I call a little doggy. That's cowboy for calves, but it sure is little. Still, he might be little, but he's got some big air. Especially when you help push his buttons. Okay, sheep, you know the drill. Back home. Looks like it's time for Bonnie's play date, I think. Not much playing, though. Let's grab some toys. Try the claw machine, our treat. And not just because it's free. Looks like you've won Dolly. Now a word from our favorite Pizza Planet aliens. Why don't we help guide him through the stars? But something tells me you're heading home with us. Ooh, it looks like we've got a matching game next. We just need 3 of the same faces. Come on, triplets. We got Woody, and your prize is a hat. Aw, Bonnie, you're the star of this show. Look at those eggs. Okay, choose your omelet. Wait, there might be someone inside. Let's warm them up. Why, it's our old pal, Trixie. Kinda pale, though. Uh-oh, we're gonna need a new bulb. Or better yet, some drastic measures. It's Rex. Guess it's not easy being green. We're gonna need to color their world. Try a candy. Well, hello, Princess Fiona. This is just what our dino friends need. Have a bite. Those aren't exactly the colors we expected. Maybe we shouldn't mess with your classic looks. Remember, green and blue. Ah, much better. Time for just one treat. That's right, a star! Forky and Knifey are about to tie the knot. Just be careful about those pesky magpies. Well, there goes the bride. Hate when that happens. Talk about heartbreak. She's practically in pieces. Don't worry, we're on the case of the runaway bride. First the dish ran away with the spoon, and now this. What is the world of sentient cookware coming to? Well, at least the pieces are all coming together. Careful, that arm seems stuck. Talk about a 2-for-1 special. Don't forget all the accessories. Oh, and the dress. Ooh, the magpie's nest. What are you hiding? Now behind egg number 3, it's Knifey. Let's help her get ready for the big day. I now pronounce you Fork and Knife. Can't wait to hear the pitter-patter of little sporks. So, is there cake? Hey, look, the next star! Next up, Jessie needs to save Buzz from Zurg. But I'm sure we can draw up a solution. Draw out the other path, just to be safe. Uh-oh, looks like we're gonna cross paths. The closest distance between 2 points is a straight line. So Zurg's gonna take a detour to Funky Town. Okay, that didn't work. I think we need to put Zurg on ice. And here, Buzz, this should put a little pep in your step. Still, let's play it safe with a loop-de-loop. We did it! Reunited, and it feels so good. Hey, if you like it, you put a ring on it. But ordering one's gonna take a while. Rubber ducky, you're the one. But that's not what we need. A telephone? Well, it's got a ring, but not like that. Come on, Buzz, you can do better on a Space Ranger's salary. Ah, diamonds are a cowgirl's best friend. For our next game, we're visiting Blaze. Looks like we're playing with Lily again. Let's just hope she's not the one playing with us. Well, looks like a Lilypad matching game. Hey, that looks familiar. We got a match. Process of elimination. A unicorn? And they're so hard to find. Never mind. Now for those white stallions. And voila! Next up, match the horses to their shadows. But we seem to be missing somebody. It looks like some sort of Pegasus. Part horse, part bird, son of Medusa. Go figure. So let's either find it or go slay a Gorgon. We did it! All kinds of cool toys can be found in the attic. But don't forget, some toys need a little TLC. In fact, I think we just found someone who needs our help. Is there anything sadder than a broken phone? 'Cause I don't think we can fix this guy up with a bag of rice. First things first, put the keys back in their place. Uh-oh, we're missing a piece from this puzzle. I think we need a little ball. A gumball? I guess people really do use gum to fix everything. Next up, it's time for a little screen saving. Wow, this liquid glass works like a charm. Of course, we need to get things sparking. Charge! Wait a minute, this isn't some run-of-the-mill phone. This is our old hippo hero, Atlas. He needs an ear, though. Now open wide. It's time to collect our next star. Which means it's time to save Bullseye. Okay, Lily, you got your stars. Give us our horse. All the king's horses, all the king's men. Can't put Bullseye back together again. But don't worry, we can. I hope their story goes to infinity and beyond. Okay, guys, who's up for a little mecha chameleon? Get your guy into position. Wait, don't touch that! I think you made him mad. Fiery mad! Wait, he's just 3D. Does this mean the game's over? Before it's begun? Well, we can help give you some camouflage. See? You blend right in at the local skate park. But next, why don't we try something with a little bit more color? Ooh, blocks! Either that or over the rainbow. Spring must be in the air because everything's coming up daisies. It's always nice to have secret friends in your corner.